Hi, you guys. So, this is my first YouTube video, and I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited. So, let's go. And what will you be seeing in this video? This video is about me getting ready, and I have to attend a family function today. So, that is why, and I'm wearing a beautiful sari. So, I thought, why not just do a get ready with me? Okay. So, yeah, that's about it. And let's just start. Okay, and one moment, just see these beautiful nails. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with these nails. Like, I just cannot stop looking at them. They are too pretty. I just got them today, but I am like, I think this maroon burgundy shade is just looking perfect. So okay, now that is done, I just quickly dye my hair. So now we have a clear canvas, and I just put a little bit of lip gloss. I find my lips too dry. I hope I am using this mic properly. Why do people keep put this thing? Anyways, I hope this is fine. Okay. Yeah. So now I have just cleaned my face properly. I will start with moisturizer. This is the Embrolis one, and this is my favorite moisturizer because this does all the. I think this is like prep and prime, so I don't have to use a separate primer for this. So that is why I'm using this. Taking a brush. Okay, so this is actually a foundation brush, but I don't actually use it for foundation. I use it for this because it is damn nice. I just love the smell of this cream. This is my go-to cream. I think this one and the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Rich cream. That is also very nice. Okay. So I why I started this late, I don't know. I think I should have started earlier. Now I feel because and this is my first video, but still I don't know why I feel like I just feel so comfortable on the camera. Like I feel I could have started this before as well. But yeah, whenever I think God wants you to do something, that is when it happens. So I'm grateful that I'm doing this now. Okay. We'll just let it be like for just a minute, okay? Okay, so now the cream is done. We will move on to the brows. Brows, I think I have naturally very like, I think I have good brows. I feel I don't need much, but still I like to put a eyebrow gel, brow gel, which is this one. This is Benefit Brow Tint, and I think this is just everybody's go-to. Yeah, I don't fill my brows, and honestly, this is my least favorite step. Yeah. Okay, so now brows are done. We'll move on to eyes. I'll do eyes first because I feel that is, like even if there is any fallout, I can just wipe it off, and then my base won't budge later. So eyes, and obviously we'll put concealer. This is like first concealer I'm using is this Maybelline Anti-Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind, and I'm gonna let this sit. Okay, and also will go above the lid as well. Yeah, and under eyes because we want it to like sit properly. So first we will just blend. Okay, so I'm wearing a pink sari. and according to that I have to decide my makeup look. This is clear. This is good. I want to see. I have switched on the lights because I think I just couldn't see my makeup properly. You have to go inside as well. Complete lid. Okay, so now the lid is done. Can you see it? Okay. Now what we'll do, we just use a loose powder. Any loose powder you can use. I'm using this Anesthesia loose powder. I really like this one. But I think just wait, let me open it. Oh, wow. Oh god. This happens to me every time I use this powder. Okay, brush, but I know. Okay, I'm just setting it off. I know this brush is too. So yeah, please bear with me. This is my first video, so that is why I'm just finding a little bit of like lighting issues and stuff. Uh, okay. Next we are. I think I already yeah. So I've already done. I already set my upper lids like with a loose powder. Now I will just blend the concealer. Okay, so you can take any concealer brush of your choice. If you know the smaller brush you take, you'll be more precise with the blending. So you just want to look up and blend, look up and blend, look up and blend. Don't forget your inside the nose. See how beautiful it is looking. And the more you let your concealer sit, the more beautiful it will look. I'm sorry, I think I really have to figure out my lighting. This lighting is not working for me. I think maybe the sunlight is like the best light, I feel. Okay. This video I'm just shooting all of our makeup and stuff, and also I wanted to talk about other things as well, but I think this video is just gonna be about makeup. Okay. Okay, so now okay, so I'm using this Sephora brush. I love this one. This brush is very fluffy. You can take any small fluffy brush, and we'll just take in Dusty Rose, excess dust off that excess, and then just do the blending. You just want to go with the light hands. You don't want to do. Okay, you just have to go with very light hands. See, this is looking already beautiful. You know, see, very light. I have put not too much. Same will go on to this side. Oh my god, I love Sephora brushes. They're very nice. Okay. Okay, so now finally the light is better because I was not like happy with the lights. So please bear with me. Now what we'll do, we already have done a little bit of color, very little dusty rose color. Now I'm finding okay. Okay. Now I'm using this palette. I think this is broken. This is Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette. Okay, now we are gonna just use this cos. No, this is off balance. I'm using off balance color to just go more there. One layer deep. The more you blend, the more your makeup will look flawless. That's just how it is. And you have to blend outwards. Okay, not like you have to like go back and forth, but just blend it outwards. You don't have to drag it down. You have to drag it up. Now you can see. Now I think we just need a little more blending. Okay. Now I'm taking a little like I'm taking a darker shade for the outer corner, and I'm using this brush to place it like I just want it in a very specific area. See, now we're just gonna blend it here. You don't have to go inside the in between or inside the corners. You just have to blend it outwards. Okay. I think the lighting, because of the lighting, I'm not able to. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'll just see in this mirror. Wow, it is looking so pretty. Okay, I think the lights are not doing justice. Should I just make it warm? Okay, now can you see? I'm not sure. Okay, okay. Now I think the basic eyes are done. Now we are taking shadow. I'm taking this Fizz's shadow. This is beautiful. This will look beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna just place it where I need it. Like, wow. Wow, I just love my eyes too. They're looking super pretty. I just wait, let me just fix the lighting because the eyeshadow's not looking good. Wow, so pretty. See, I think the lights are not working today for me. See, this is looking beautiful. Okay. Okay, so now I will be doing my makeup, but after wearing the sari. So just wait and watch. I'll be right back. Now the sari is done. Now we move on to the base, the makeup. And for that, I'm using this Laco Vintage, this one, keeping it back in the hair.